أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذا الدرس الجديد عن الصفة. Hello and welcome to this new lesson on adjectives. في هذا الدرس تتعلم what an adjective is and how to use adjectives in Arabic, both for gender agreement and definiteness agreement. ما هي الصفة? What are adjectives? Adjectives are used to describe nouns, and in Arabic often they follow the pattern فعيل. For example, كبير, صغير, جميل. In Arabic, adjectives are placed behind the word they correspond to. مثال: بيت يعني a house. If I want to say a big house, it would be بيت كبير, house big. When I'm referring to a feminine noun, such as Medina, a city, the adjective will also be feminine. A big city would be Medina كبيرة. Adjectives also correspond in definiteness with the noun they belong to. بيت كبير, a big house. In this example, بيت does not have the definite article ال and is indefinite. Therefore, also the adjective كبير is indefinite. However, if I want to say the big house, that would become البيت الكبير. So we add البيت, the house, الكبير, the big house. مثال آخر: مدينة كبيرة, a big city. And if I want to make the whole thing definite, it becomes المدينة الكبيرة. So we add ال to both the noun as well as the adjective. The city, the big. This also holds for words with possessive pronouns attached to it, such as بيتي يعني my house. This is also a definite word. You know which house you're talking about. Therefore, if I want to say my beautiful house, I would have to add ال again. بيتي الجميل, my beautiful house. مثال آخر: مدينتي يعني my city. Now, if I want to say my beautiful city, I would add ال. مدينتي الجميلة. في هذا الدرس تعلمت what an adjective is and how to use adjectives in Arabic using both gender and definiteness agreement. شكرا على انتباهكم وإلى اللقاء إن شاء الله في درس جديد.